The ZWILLING Pro S 8-inch chef's knife is expertly crafted in a company-owned German factory, ensuring impeccable quality and a special formula high-carbon no-stain steel for outstanding durability. This knife boasts an ice-hardened FRIODUR blade, which not only starts sharper but also maintains its sharpness longer, offering superior resilience for all your culinary tasks. Thanks to its precision-honed blade and laser-controlled edge, it provides an ideal cutting angle that enhances both sharpness and long-lasting durability. The ergonomic three-rivet handle is perfectly bonded to the full tang, ensuring optimal balance and control for a comfortable cutting experience. With a Rockwell hardness of 57, the knife delivers excellent edge retention, making it a reliable tool in any kitchen. While it is dishwasher-safe, hand washing is recommended to preserve its sharpness and finish, highlighting the knife's blend of traditional craftsmanship and modern convenience.